As a homeowner in Florence, you're familiar with the seasonal shifts in temperature that can take a toll on your heating and cooling costs. Whether it's the hot, humid summers or the cooler winters, keeping your home comfortable can sometimes feel like a never-ending battle. Fortunately, installing energy-efficient windows is one of the best ways to lower utility bills and improve comfort in your home. Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce the amount of heat transfer between the interior of your home and the outside environment. By improving your home's insulation and air sealing, these windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, which reduces the workload on your heating and cooling systems. Let's explore how energy-efficient windows can benefit Florence homeowners by cutting down on utility costs and increasing home comfort. Enhanced insulation and temperature regulation. Energy-efficient windows are equipped with advanced technology designed to provide superior insulation. Typically made with double or triple panes of glass, these windows feature an air or gas-filled space between the panes that acts as a thermal barrier. This helps to minimize the transfer of heat into or out of your home. During the hot Florence summers, energy-efficient windows can help keep the cool air inside, reducing the need for your air conditioning to run constantly. Similarly, in the winter, these windows help keep warm air inside and prevent the cold from seeping in. As a result, your home remains comfortable year-round without the constant battle to adjust the thermostat, leading to lower utility bills. Reduced energy consumption and lower utility bills. Perhaps the most immediate benefit of installing energy-efficient windows is the significant reduction in energy consumption. Old, inefficient windows allow air to leak out, forcing your heating and cooling systems to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This not only drives up your electricity and gas bills but also contributes to unnecessary energy waste. Energy-efficient windows, however, are specifically designed to minimize air leakage and reduce the amount of heat transferred through the glass. This means that your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard, leading to lower energy consumption and significant savings on your monthly utility bills. Over time, the savings on energy costs can more than offset the initial investment in energy-efficient windows. Improved comfort throughout the year. In addition to lowering energy bills, energy-efficient windows also improve your overall comfort inside your home. Florence homeowners know that fluctuating temperatures can cause drafts, cold spots, or overly warm areas in certain rooms. This can make it difficult to enjoy a consistent and comfortable indoor environment. Energy-efficient windows help eliminate these temperature fluctuations by providing better insulation and air sealing. With modern low-E coatings and argongas or krypton gas between panes, energy-efficient windows help regulate the temperature of each room in your home. Whether it's sweltering outside or cold and rainy, your home will maintain a consistent, comfortable temperature, making it more enjoyable to live in. Protection from UV damage. Another advantage of energy-efficient windows is their ability to protect your furniture, flooring, and artwork from the harmful effects of the sun. Traditional windows allow ultraviolet, UV, rays to pass through, which can cause fading, cracking, and damage to your belongings over time. Energy-efficient windows come equipped with low emissivity coatings that block UV rays while allowing natural light to enter your home. These coatings reflect heat back outside while still letting visible light in, which helps keep your home bright and airy while protecting your possessions from sun damage. This feature not only improves comfort but also helps preserve the aesthetic value of your home. Noise reduction and peaceful living. Florence is a wonderful place to live, but like any city, it can be subject to noise pollution from traffic, construction, or nearby activity. If you live near a busy road or commercial area, unwanted noise can be a constant source of disruption in your home. Energy-efficient windows offer an added benefit of noise reduction. The multi-pane construction and insulating features help reduce the amount of sound that passes through the windows, creating a quieter living environment. Whether it's the hum of traffic, barking dogs, or construction sounds, energy-efficient windows can significantly reduce the amount of exterior noise entering your home, making it a more peaceful space to relax in. Environmental impact and sustainability. By improving your home's energy efficiency, you're not just saving money, you're also contributing to a greener environment. Older, inefficient windows can cause unnecessary energy waste, which leads to higher carbon emissions. By installing energy-efficient windows, you help reduce your home's carbon footprint and contribute to environmental sustainability. Energy-efficient windows use materials that are more sustainable and built to last longer than traditional windows. Many modern windows are made with recyclable materials and designed to minimize waste, making them an eco-friendly choice for homeowners who want to reduce their environmental impact. Increased home value. If you're considering selling your home in the future, installing energy-efficient windows can increase your home's market value. Home buyers are increasingly looking for homes that offer energy efficiency and lower operating costs. By replacing old windows with energy-efficient options, you can make your home more appealing to potential buyers, giving you an edge in a competitive market. Homes with energy-efficient windows also tend to sell faster and at higher prices, as they offer long-term savings and improved comfort, which are highly desirable features for today's homebuyers. Conclusion: invest in energy-efficient windows for lasting benefit. If you're looking to lower utility bills, improve comfort, and enhance the value of your home, energy-efficient windows are a smart investment for homeowners in Florence. By providing superior insulation, reducing energy consumption, protecting against UV damage, and creating a quieter indoor environment, energy-efficient windows offer a wide range of benefits that enhance both the functionality and aesthetics of your home. Investing in energy-efficient windows is a decision that not only helps you save money on utility bills but also contributes to environmental sustainability, boosts home value, and improves your quality of life. Whether you're renovating your current home or building a new one, energy-efficient windows are one upgrade that delivers both short-term savings and long-term comfort.